a month ago, I decided I wanted to make a headboard, another thing. But yeah, little did I know after all that damn research, like it really is a lot of supplies you have to get for a headboard. About to go in Joann's, get me some fabric. Well, I have bought some fabric, but it wasn't exactly the color I wanted, but now it's on sale today, the one that I want. I'm about to get this headboard done. Alright, so I went in Joann's, and these motherfuckers decided to put the one fabric on sale that ain't been on sale in like a month. So I spent the last 2 hours in there couponing and looking up everything I could to get my fabric. Don't know if y'all can really see the bliss of this fabric, but it's like a champagne gold type of color. Oh my god, it's like my dream fabric. Oh my goodness. Product of my end rail. I actually got some extra glass crystals from a manufacturer, so I decided to put some on my footboard. So I put 5, got some creases in there. So one down, side rails to go. I still got to do that. So one thing I'm learning about this headboard is it's very time consuming. If you plan on rushing, then you might as well just like not waste your time. Just go buy one, because it'd definitely be a waste of your time. Right, so this is one of the side rails. This is all I can finish tonight. Nice and neat. I just accidentally cut into that. That's why it's extra staples. But yeah, nice and neat. Alright, because I forgot to show y'all earlier. This is the back of my footboard. I also stapled that as well. But yeah, that's all I got to do tonight, the footboard and the side rail. But I'm just so proud of myself. I'm saving so much money. To be continued.
Good shot.
Go ahead, Bree, go to the goal. Take it to the rack. Take it to the rack. Woo! Yeah, girl. That's all looking over there. Ooh, yeah, that was good. Yeah, pass that ball. Yes. Go ahead, Bree. Woo, yeah. You got it. Go ahead, shoot it. Yeah. Yeah, there go that assist. Go ahead, T. Yeah, you heard it. Shoot. Yeah. Yeah. You shot it. Girl, this is cracking me up. Ooh, caught that assist, girl. Go ahead, rebound, rebound, rebound. Get that ball. Go ahead, shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Come on, rebound. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Sam. Finally got some free time. I'm looking on the headboard. This is the like that main piece. So I did these last night, and I'm starting to actually get the little diamond part. Alright, y'all, don't clown my hair because it's like dry as fuck right now, and I wasn't doing it to work on my headboard. So anyways, I also did the other side rail, and then like I showed y'all a few weeks ago, this is the inner rail still, and this is it's starting to look nice, real nice. You live? You live? So today I'm going to tighten up the sides. I already started the top. I just put some straight pleats to the top of the headboard. As you can see, still got to secure the bottom and the sides. I'll let y'all know what's coming up next. Bree, are you finished?